So you think that making skincare products is just mixing a bunch of things together, right? You're wrong. Now, taking a proper cosmetic formulation course is very important for you before you start making any kind of skincare products. And that I'm going to explain to you in this video. If you will keep watching. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be breaking a table. This table, I'm not only going to break it, I will break it, carry the pieces and go home with it because somebody has to say it. The first thing we're going to talk about is the knowledge of skincare formulation and the skills that you need to carry out this knowledge that you have gotten. Do you get me? Now, it is not enough to just know about how to, mix bunch of ingredients together or how to, make different skincare products. Now, there was a time somebody made a comment on one of my videos where I talked about our cosmetic. I think that training was for our base cream, one of our base cream courses. And this person goes on to say, why would I be paying you to teach me how to make base cream? And then the person listed every what they think it is to what they think you need to make base creams. Now, it is not enough to learn how to mix these ingredients. It is very, very vital to know the mechanism of these ingredients and how they react with your skin. Now, you can learn how to make skin whitening products, but do you understand why these particular ingredients that you're putting together make your skin whiter or lighter? Do you know how these ingredients get to your skin and how they react to the different layers of your skin and how they react with the general biology of your skin and so many other things that comes with um, skincare formulation? Do you know all these things, or you just think that it is all about mixing different skincare products or different creams and serums and all of that together? No, it is way beyond that. There's a whole bigger picture that you don't understand if you or you wouldn't understand if you don't take proper cosmetic trainings. Now, cosmetic trainings provide you with the necessary skills and knowledge to understand the science behind skincare products and how they work and how they relate to your skin, and also how they relate and react with each other, if that makes sense. Now, when you take proper cosmetic trainings, you will learn about your ingredients, how they interact with your skin, how they interact with other ingredients, and also learn about their function. Okay? Now, learning about these things will help you create a more effective skincare product. Another benefit that you get when you go through a proper cosmetic training. Now, remember, I am emphasizing proper cosmetic training. I'm not talking about the ones that will tell you to mix 2 spoons of Seppi White and 3 spoons of granite oil. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm telling you proper cosmetic training where you learn not only about the science, you learn about the art, you learn the engineering, you learn everything that has to do with cosmetic knowledge to create an effective skincare product. Now, another thing that you need to understand is the safety. Now, one of the benefits of going through a proper cosmetic training is learning about the safety of skincare formulation. Now, remember, anything that you're mixing together and you're going to be putting on your skin comes in contact with different organs. Your skin is an organ of itself. So imagine putting harmful substances on an organ like the skin and how it can react to your health. Cosmetic trainings teach you about the hazards that are associated with cosmetic ingredients and how to avoid them. Now, with proper formulation training, you will learn how to produce products that are non-irritating to the skin, products that are safe and that are suitable for different skin types. Another thing that is very, very important when it comes to cosmetic formulation is regulatory compliances. Now, how do you know about regulatory compliances if you're not going through a proper cosmetic formulation training? Now, remember, I am talking about proper cosmetic formulations. I'm not talking about people who will tell you to mix 2 spoons of oil and 3 spoons of water. That's not the kind of training I'm talking about. Skincare formulation is not just about mixing a bunch of different ingredients together. How do you know that these ingredients that you are mixing together are compatible? How do you know if they have synergy? How do you know how they react to the skin and how they the mechanism by which they bring the effects that you're looking for? These and so many other things are things that you need to understand before you start putting different ingredients together. Now, cosmetic formulations are subject to regulatory compliances and guidelines. These regulatory compliances and guidelines helps to ensure the safety of your consumers. Now, by undergoing a proper cosmetic training, you will learn about these regulations and how you can apply them to your cosmetic business. These include understanding the labeling requirements for your skincare products. Now, as a skincare formulator, there are certain regulations and rules that you have to follow when you are labeling or when you are making the label for your skincare products. When you take proper cosmetic training, you will understand and learn about these regulations and how to apply them to your skincare products or skincare business. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're making these products at home, because a lot of you will say, I'm making my products at home now. What nothing concerns me with. No, it is not true. For the sake of transparency and for the sake of trust between you and your consumers, you have to be very, very transparent as to what exactly is in your skincare formulation. This enables your customers to have trust and feel relaxed with your brand. Now, another very important point that I'm going to make here is quality assurance. Now, skincare products need to meet a certain quality standard to be effective and reliable. Now, going through a proper cosmetic training will enable you will enable you assess your ingredients, the quality of your ingredients. It will enable you carry out proper cosmetic stability testing, and it will also enable you consistently produce products that are in line with the regulations. Now, a proper cosmetic formulation training will enable customer confidence. When you go through proper cosmetic training, now again, I'm not talking about mix and pour training. I'm talking about proper cosmetic trainings. It creates reliability from your customers, if that makes sense. Your customers see that you are involved, or you take their wellness or their safety into consideration. Going through proper cosmetic training demonstrates your commitment to creating high quality skincare products. Customers are more likely to trust and purchase from somebody who can confidently speak about the skincare products and how it works and the mechanism as to how the efficacy comes about. Now, customers are more likely to purchase from you because they see that you have the necessary expertise to not only interpret their skin issues to them, but also you're able to recommend skincare products that are going to suit their skin's need and their skin type. Your training will give you the confidence to answer customer questions and also enable you address their concerns effectively. Now, I have people who ask me to create, they come to you and say, oh, I want to learn how to make skin whitening products. I want to learn how to make skin acne fighting creams. Now, I give them the training models and they're like, no, I just want to learn how to make it. No, I don't teach like that. How do you learn how to make the products without understanding how the product will work? Make it make sense. For you to be able to create an effective skincare product, you have to understand the skin problem. You have to understand What approach do you want to use to treat these products, not treat these problems? Not every skincare product is supposed to go beyond the stratum corneum. Not every skincare product is supposed to penetrate into the damage. So you have to identify where the skin issue is, how you can target this skin issue, and what medium will you use to carry your active ingredients that you have chosen to tackle these skin issues. So, I don't know what else to say. A lot of people think that it is enough to just watch YouTube videos on how to. And if you notice, that is why I am reducing how much how-to videos I show you. Rather, I am trying to teach you about the skin condition, the anatomy of the skin, the biology behind skincare formulation, the science, the engineering, and the art. It is it is all in one. You have to understand these things before you can create effective skincare products. Now, a lot of you complain that your skincare products that you make don't work. You've done this training, you've done that training. The problem is, what kind of trainings are you doing? Are you taking proper cosmetic formulation courses, or you are just going to those people who just mix different skincare serums into one bowl, mix it together, pour it in a container, and give it to you? There's no proper stability testing, there's no consumer safety, there's nothing. They just mix a bunch of things and give to you, and they call it organic skincare product. That's another video that I'm going to make very soon, because somebody has to do this thing. Somebody has to say it as it is. A lot of people I know will not like this kind of videos, but somebody has to say it. Boy, stop going through short corners. Learn about these things. Take proper cosmetic trainings. These will help you improve your cosmetic business. I hope that this video was helpful. I hope it was, educational enough for you to sit back and think about it. Think about your decisions and how you can improve your cosmetic formulas. Stop going from one mix and pour trainer to the other. Take your time, gather all that money, all that 20,000, 10,000 that you give to different people, put it together and look for a proper cosmetic training course that will enable you create effective skincare products. Okay? I hope this was helpful, and I will definitely see you guys on another video, which is going to be tomorrow. Bye.